to get your 4,000 watch hours fast before your first year ends.
No, not like this. Come on. I can't believe this.
Most creators, they quit YouTube not because they are failing. One of the hardest nut to crack is having your 4,000 watch hours. You can tell it, you that is listening to me, you can tell it that it is not easy to have 4,000 watch hours. Now, let me ask you, quickly go to the comment section and answer this. How many years, how many months did you use to get your 4,000 watch hours? Yes, let me know in the comment section. After this video, you should be able to get your 4,000 watch hours faster. Meeting me for the first time, this is Build and Brand with Kuyik, and in this channel, I help upcoming creators on how to grow, build, and monetize the right way without shortcuts. No gatekeeping here. If this sounds, because I want everybody to be monetized this year. So if this sounds like something you would love to know, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop me a comment. Don't forget in the comment section of this video. Let's move into the real video. Now, let me put this out. Your watch hours start dying after 12 months. Of course, you know that the 4,000 watch hours you need is in the last 365 days, meaning that within 1 year, you should be able to accumulate up to that 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers so you can have the full monetization. So if it is slow, you might likely end up not achieving this milestone before your first 1 year. I'm going to make it very simple for you to get it done faster. Are you excited? Also, views don't equals to watch hours. So you can have a high number of views, but your watch hours is not equated to the number of views you have. For example, you can have 200 views and you have even more than 200 watch hours. Do you know what makes that happen? Because YouTube rewards retention. When people spend time to watch your videos, it increases the watch time. In this particular video, I want to encourage you to start live streaming. Yes, live stream is one of the fastest way to get your 4,000 watch hours and also increase your subscribers. There is no way you increase in views and not increase in numbers. As your views is increasing, your numbers are also increasing. Yeah, you might be thinking, but I'm a faceless channel. I don't show my face in my videos. I go faceless in my channel. You are not exempted. There's what we call silent live stream. You don't need to show your face. All what you need to do is come up with an interesting stuff. It could be puzzles, it could be questions, it could be riddles, it could be games. Just come up with something that's interesting that will make people to stay. And the more they stay, the more time they spend looking at the screen, watching, that is, the more time, the more watch hours you are accumulating. Let me quickly show you this. This particular silence live stream gave me over 800 watch hours. That was mind-blowing. So I will encourage, that is one live stream. So when are you eligible to start live streaming? 50 subscribers. So I will encourage you to have up to 55 subscribers, because most times when you have 50 subscribers, YouTube will not unlock that feature immediately. They will have to wait and watch your progress, because most times people can unsubscribe and return it to 49, 48, 47, and it's not good. So YouTube wants to at least accumulate to up to 55 subscribers or even 60. The moment you reach 60 or 55 subscribers, start live streaming immediately. What are you waiting for? Start. Now I'm going to share with you some of the ways you can live stream. Yes, you can use your YouTube mobile app and do your live stream. Now, just very simple step. Just click where you go, open the app, and where you have this live, you click this live and you put in the title of your live. And before you go live, make sure the videos or if you are using silence live stream, make sure your questions are available. Everything is set before you go live stream. So let me move on to the next thing. You can use third party. Yes, you can use any of the third party apps like the Restreams. You can use the Restream.io. You can use StreamYards. You can even use you can use those two apps. Those two apps are the ones I actually use, right? That I can recommend for you to use without having to overthink. Would it be approved? Would it be accepted? Would I have issues? So I will not share what I have not experienced, what I have not used, so you don't put your account in danger, right? Now, there's this other major feature that I also use to also screencast. Yes, screencast, that also can also, you can use that one to also use for live streaming. All of these have videos on them, so I'm going to drop the links on how you can set them up and start using them in the description of this video, so you don't have to overthink. Last note that I'm going to add, another way you can get your 4,000 watch hours very fast also is using longer form videos. Yes, extend your video, make your video to be valuable enough. Say, oh, people don't watch my long form videos. That's the reason why I introduced a live stream for you. People don't watch your long form videos, but they would love your live stream concept. Okay, that's why I encourage you to use puzzles, riddles, and quizzes, right? But don't limit yourself to other styles like longer form videos. Create your videos. All right, create your videos, make your video to be attention grabbing. Let people learn something from your videos. Now, when your video is interesting and you carry people along and people vibe with it, you realize that they will stay. And the more time they spend staying on your video, like staying, they watching your videos, the more time they spend, the more watch hours you have. So it is not even there how many views you have in that video. Your videos could have the lowest view ever, but gives you the highest watch hour ever. Are you doubting that? I've experienced that a lot. So don't look at the views, but look at how much time people spend. But it comes from views as well. And you see, when people watch your videos, when people stay, they will also likely, when they like what you do, they enjoy the concept, they enjoy the solution you're bringing to the table, what would they do? They will likely click and subscribe. Yes, so with that, you're gaining watch hours and you're gaining subscribers. So with all of this, you've been able to know that if you follow this step, if you follow these tactics, if you follow this video the way I just explained now, and go through the video I just listed in my description, trust me, before your 1 year elapses, you might have gotten your 4,000 watch hours. These are the things that I did that got me the watch hours that I deserve within the in 4 weeks. Yes, in 4 weeks. Yes, in 4 weeks I was able to accumulate a lot of watch hours that led to my monetization. So if you enjoyed this video and you found this video valuable, go ahead and give this video some thumbs up and drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that join button and join my community for some amazing perks, and super chat this channel to encourage me if you love what I do to keep doing more. So before you even think of monetizing your channel, right? Before you even think about monetizing your channel, you need to set up your entire channel. Yes, you need to set up your entire channel so that it can be SEO optimized. Exactly. So I was able to compile a lot of massive prompts, all the prompts that would help you generate your titles for your videos, your thumbnails for your videos, your video ideas, video concept, and even your entire channel setup. I compiled them and I put them into this book called Prompt Your Channel. So I'm going to still drop the link to this book. You can get it on Seller in the description of this video. And optimize your channel, because the moment you monetize, the next thing is for you to start earning. YouTube will not recommend your video if your video is not yet optimized, and as such, if the money is not coming, you will feel discouraged. So money comes when you have something to offer and YouTube recommends you that thing you have to offer. If people don't see you, they will not even come to watch you. So you need to increase your views so that keep earning and protect your monetization. If you want a step-by-step live stream plan, let me know so that I can put a video around it and put them here for you. Okay, drop them in the comment section and I'm going to look at it. I'm reading all the comments. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.